Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. 5 iPhone tricks that can change your life in 2023. Let us have a look at solution number 1, that is text scanning. So in text scanning, you simply have to go to messages and then create a new message. You have to long press on the text box and click on the scan button. Now you can scan any product or a document whose text you need to send through messages and simply press enter. The text gets copied in the text box and then you send the message. Now let us jump on to solution number 2, which is smart photo. So for the smart photo trick, you simply have to go to the gallery and select a picture which has text messages or links or phone numbers in the photo itself. Now you can long press on that particular message and select it, or even scan a QR code or click on the link and go to the link directly. Or you can simply call a phone number if it's available on the photograph by long pressing on that phone number. You can also save it. Solution number 3 is using both the speaker and keyboard at the same time. So for this solution of using both speaker and keyboard at the same time, you have to go to the messages section and create a new message. Now you click on the microphone and say everything that you want to be there in the text message. So the voice gets sensed and the message is being typed in itself. And then you can also simultaneously use the keyboard to type in the message. Now you can also just say thumbs up in the emoji section and the thumbs up emoji gets added into the. Now let us see the solution number 4, which is converting an online website into PDF. For converting an online website into a PDF, you need to go to Safari and search for the website or any document. So here I have searched for what is artificial intelligence and opened any random website. Now you can see all the text messages and everything that is there in the website. You have to click on the share button and then at the top you can see a small option button written, which you have to click and send as PDF. Now the whole website gets converted into a PDF format and then you can save it into file or send it to anyone else. The quality of the PDF is high standard and can be used for sending further as well. This makes the job of getting information from a website easier. Solution number 5 is to automate the lock screen. So to automate the lock screen or to switch on or off the auto rotation, we know that auto rotation consumes a lot of battery of the phone. So when we need the auto rotation on, it should get on at only those specific applications while they are in use. For this, you need to go to Shortcuts app and then click on automation, which is provided at the lower button at the middle part. After clicking on automations, you have to scroll down and then click on apps. After clicking on apps, you click on choose, where you need to choose the specific application. Over here, I'm choosing YouTube and then select it. After that, press on the next button and then you go to add actions and search here for orientation. So set orientation lock. Now you press on the button of toggle and turn it off. Now it is at the on state. You have to click on it and turn it off. and this will automate your lock screen whenever you on or start the YouTube application. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below. For more such amazing content, do visit gossipfunda.com, link in the description.